You can generate videos like this, and even this.
What the hell is going on?
All with just one click. Not only that,
You can change your voice to sound like me.
and even swap your background instantly. And also, you can dub your voice into 6 different languages. All of this is possible with just one AI tool called Higgsfield Recast. So in today's video, I'm giving you a full review of this tool, how to use it, how to replace characters like I did, how to change voices, and everything in between. If you enjoy the video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. First, go to Google and search for Higgsfield AI, then open the first website. You'll see an interface like this. Here you get a ton of AI features: voice changing, face swapping, character swap, and many more tools. I've already made video about their face swapping feature. Go check it out. Link is in the description. Today we're talking about Higgsfield Recast, a brand new AI tool. You can access it from here, or by going into Character and opening Recast Studio. You'll see an interface like this. You can easily swap your character while keeping your original background and movements. Plus, you get 30+ characters, 6+ auto-dub languages, voice changing, background options, and many more new features. So here's what you do. Upload your video first. Then upload the image of the character you want to replace yourself with. You can drag and drop it too. For example, my first video is here, and for the second image, I uploaded this image of Mr. Bean. Now hit generate, and the final output looks like this.
Even if I'm going abroad literally for a few days, I'm bringing a watch roll with me. Watches are something that I've been infatuated with from the time I was 8 years old and I bought my first Timex.
Damn, the result was far better than I had imagined. It precisely copied the hand gestures and facial movements. But we are not stopping here. We will push this tool to its absolute limits and see if it is the best body swap tool ever. Now go back to the home page and go to Recast Studio. You will find some additional features. Here you get access to a huge library of high-quality, pre-made characters. Everything from realistic faces to stylized personalities. Just pick any character you like. And of course, if you want something more personal, you can also upload your own. They've also added a powerful voice feature where you can choose from a variety of pre-made AI voices and instantly apply them to your video. It's all available in one click.
I'm Zara. Let's create something that feels real.
The shallow reefs are but a fraction of this enormous water world.
A clean forest is a home for many creatures to thrive.
It was a nice day as far as Mondays go. Maybe
I failed over and over and over.
You can also upload your pre-recorded audio, or you can just record right here. You can auto-dub your video into 6+ languages. Hindi to English, English to any other language, etc. If you want to change your background, you also have multiple preset backgrounds. Pick one and generate your video. Let me upload my video again. The first time you use it, tap I agree and continue. Okay, so now I will select one character from here. I am selecting this anime girl Hina, and for the voice I will select Zara. I will leave the language at English, and as for the background, I will go with this one. And after selecting everything, I will hit this generate button. And here is the final result.
Even if I'm going abroad literally for a few days, I'm bringing a watch roll with me. Watches are something that I've been infatuated with from the time I was 8 years old and I bought my first Timex.
And once again, the result was mind-blowing. All right, let's do one more. I will use the same video as before, and from characters. Let's see. I am gonna select this Plushan guy right here, and for the voice, let's go with Yuri. Language English, and let's go with original background this time. Hit generate and wait for the magic.
Even if I'm going abroad literally for a few days, I'm bringing a watch roll with me. Watches are something that I've been infatuated with from the time I was 8 years old and I bought my first Timex.
This recast tool doesn't just detect simple hand gestures. It actually analyzes your entire body movement frame by frame. After that, it intelligently swaps the character's body while keeping all your natural movements perfectly synced. That's why the final output looks so realistic and feels like a real performance, not just a face swap. All right, this time I am going to use a clip of Jeff Bezos, and let's swap him with someone. Let's select her also change the voice. Let's use Hope this time, and the background should be cozy pink. That's what girls prefer, and here's the result.
First 3 days, I was shocked at how many books we sold. We were ill prepared. We had only 10 people in the company at that time, and most of them were software engineers, and so everybody, including me and the software engineers, were all like packing boxes.
All the videos you generate get saved automatically in the video section. From there, you can re-download them anytime, upscale them, or even modify them again if you want to improve something. They also offer a bunch of additional AI tools, from Sora-style video generation to Google Vivo-type features. And recently, they introduced a brand new tool called Higgsfield Face Swap, where you can swap your face with anyone in the world. The results are seriously impressive. If you want to try all this yourself, check the link in the description and start generating your own AI characters right away.